In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix current profile is not allowed to play on Xbox Live. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to fix any issues attributed to not being able to sign into and play on Xbox Live. So there are a few reasons on why this happens, but I'm gonna give you various steps that might fix this. So first, check your Xbox Live subscription. This might seem simple, however, you do need to have an active Xbox Live Gold subscription. So if you aren't sure about how many days you have left on your subscription, it can be helpful to go over to the Xbox website through a web browser on your computer or your phone and check to see if you even have an active subscription. This can either be an Xbox Live Gold subscription or an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription to play online multiplayer games on Xbox. So verify the status and see if it is still active. Next, check to see if you have parental controls enabled. If they are enabled on your account, they usually restrict online access, so always check the settings and ensure that online multiplayer is not blocked for your profile. You can go over to the family settings and double check in there. Besides this, look for any account restrictions. Your Xbox account might have a temporary or permanent restriction due to a violation of the Xbox Live Terms of Service, and if this is the case, usually there's no way to bypass this, so check your email or the Xbox messages for any notifications regarding this. For profile issues, in rare cases, corrupted profile data might cause the issue, so you can try clearing local saves for older Xbox 360 games. If you are trying to play with a backward compatible Xbox 360 game, go to Settings, Storage, Manage Storage, Profiles, select your profile, and delete the profile but keep the games and apps. This is going to allow you to re-add your profile later and try again, and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, you can try resetting the console while keeping the games and applications and seeing if this works. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix current profile is not allowed to play on Xbox Live. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.